From the Hartford tribe, we're drawing Sandmeh's father, Mr. Sandmeh.
The old quote being like Yogi said, it's not over till it's over,
Deja vu all over again.
A respectable and responsible father, like my father, and a good great-grandfather like Luke Kyoki, Tyler Needham's greatest creation. This one goes out to all fathers out there, especially my grandfather.
You gotta, I don't know if you want to call it a horse. The guy, remember the
Maybe there's other deals he's working on that could do something.
Yeah,
We'll see.
I mean, he's the chief. He's the banker, you said?
He's the investment banker.
Yeah, some familiar with guys, you know. He talked to the chief financial officer, he talked to the also. Touching all the base there, see what happens. Because today, the chief financial officer and the banking guy,
There we go.
the CEO, you know.
Here's this piece of paper that he has. I don't know why he has it. However, I just feel like he has it for a reason.
Yeah, I spoke to the CFO.
Yeah, the CFO, yeah.
CFO.
Yeah, I think
What is that talking about? Here's Sandmeh's shoes. Well, Mr. Sandmeh's shoes. There we go. Now draw the sand on the backside. And here's the sand that he's standing on. And finished. That is how you draw Mr. Sandmeh. If you're watching this, just a reminder, your family is awesome.